So this is going to be a real life word problem on how we use fractions. So I have a bag of chocolate chip cookies, and I am going to make some cookies. So my word problem or my directions is right here on the back of the package. So I'm just going to go down that list and measure out those ingredients, follow the directions, and put them in my bowl. I think I already have all of my ingredients out, so we can just get started. I did wash my hands before we started. Open up the bag of chocolate chips. Oh, I do need to get some eggs out. The eggs. Okay, now we have those ready to go. So with cookie dough, I know I need to have two different bowls. First, I need a bowl for my dry ingredients, and then I need a bowl for my wet ingredients, which then I'm gonna put my dry ingredients on top of the wet ingredients. So I need to make sure my bowl's big enough to hold all of my ingredients. So my dry ingredients are my flour, baking soda, and salt. In a small bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. Okay, so I need 2 1/4 cups flour. So 2 of these plus 1 of these. That's how much flour I need. 2 1/4 cups. And then I just need a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. So that's small. That is only going to be, I thought I got it out over here, it is. This much. So 1 scoop of this for our salt and 1 scoop of this for our baking soda. So let me grab a bowl that's gonna fit about 2 1/2 to 3 cups in it. Okay, so here's a smaller bowl. We should be able to fit all of those ingredients in this bowl, no problem. So first it said we needed 2 1/4 cup of flour. Here is my handy dandy flour container. Okay, so I'm going to take my 1 cup. There's 1 cup of flour. There's 2 cups of flour. That was my whole number. Now my partial number, my fraction is 1/4. So I just need that much now, so 1/4. So I put 2 1/4 cup flour into my bowl. Next, I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So look on your package, make sure it says baking soda, because it does a different job than baking powder. Okay, so 1 teaspoon. See, it's labeled right there on the spoon. It tells us what the measurement is. 1 teaspoon. Then we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let me tell you a trick. Don't pour salt over your bowl, because if you spill it, then you'll have way too much salt and it'll ruin your cookies. So do it over maybe like a paper towel or another bowl or the sink or something. So there, now I have 1 teaspoon. I put that in my bowl. Okay, so then I'm just going to kind of mix those dry ingredients together. Okay, so let's put this over to the side for now. All right, awesome. Now we're going to start on our wet ingredients in our big bowl here. So first we need 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter that are softened. So here's my butter. It came in this box. I'm going to open it up. When I look in this box, I see 4 sticks of butter. See? 2, 4. But the recipe said I only need 2. So how much of this box of butter am I going to use? I push those 2 back. I pull these 2 out. Look at that. 1/2 of a box. Because there's the exact same amount left. 1/2. All right, so this needs to be softened. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave just for a little bit to soften it a little for our recipe. Here. Okay. While that's softening, we're gonna need the sugar, we're gonna need the white sugar and the brown sugar. So here's my brown sugar. We want softened butter, not melted. So you're gonna make sure you don't melt it. Okay. So let me drop these 2 sticks of butter into my mixing bowl. So there's 1 stick. Oh, and look at this on the butter wrapper. This breaks it down into fractions. So if we needed tablespoons, a smaller piece of this stick, it tells us on here how many tablespoons each slice would be. Okay, but we just need a whole stick. We need 2 whole sticks. Okay. So we have that in there. Then we're going to need our brown sugar, which is going to be 3/4 of a cup. I actually have, let's see, this one equals 3/4 of a cup, or I can take this 1/2 plus this 1/4, add those together, and that would be the same as 3/4. 1/2 plus 1/4 is equivalent to 3/4. Okay, so that's how much sugar we need: brown sugar and white sugar. Okay, so I'm going to start with the white sugar. For the white sugar, I'm going to use the 2 different size cups. So there is 1/2. Now I need 1/4. 1/2 plus, oops, 1/4